side crow. Just going to caveat that I cannot do this pose. So coming to a squatted position, similar to crow, you're going to have your hands out in front. Once you've got your hands shoulder distance, bring them to the side. One hand slightly forward. So we'll start on your right side. Your right hand will be slightly farther than your left. Really dig your right knee into your tricep. Start to bend your arms. And then lean over on this side, lifting one toe at a time. Yeah, I can't do that. Okay, and then on your left side, same idea. So left arm slightly farther than your right hand. Get your right elbow in there. So lean over. And that's a poor attempt at side crow. Let's see if I can do it. So we'll try it from this direction. Okay, and then from this side, I just did that. Oh wait, no, I need to be facing this way. Yeah, I can't do that. Okay, side crow.